Hello and welcome back to Crypto Nerd. My name is AJ, here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at my Bitcoin charts and my Bitcoin trade. We're also going to be taking a look at the Ethereum charts and my Ethereum trade. So if that interests you, then please smash a like, subscribe and share this video and help grow this channel together. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the charts. Starting off with the daily charts then, you can see this megaphone pattern which I've been showing you in the past couple videos, and in fact yesterday Bitcoin actually broke back above our red VPVR level, which is very bullish news for Bitcoin because that means that we can now start heading towards the top of this megaphone pattern if we can stay above this VPVR level. So this is very bullish news for Bitcoin. We did have that pretty dramatic pullback in the price of Bitcoin. However, yesterday Bitcoin did recover nicely and we are now trading back above that VPVR level. Taking a look at the head and shoulders pattern, which is also on the daily charts then, this head and shoulders pattern could still be in play if we were to see Bitcoin sort of roll over and test this support level, this yellow support level down here. However, it is too early to tell if this is going to play out because Bitcoin is still trying to form that second shoulder. However, I will be keeping you updated on this chart in future videos. In yesterday's video, I actually showed you this head and shoulders pattern, which was in fact on the 4 hour. And I told you that Bitcoin was trying to form this second shoulder. And there is still a possibility that Bitcoin could form the second shoulder and test the support level down here at the yellow line. If we were to break down out of this head and shoulders pattern, the targets would be down at $47,700-ish. But I also told you that if Bitcoin were to break the top of the head and shoulders pattern at around $58,900-ish, that this chart would be invalid. So I will be keeping you updated on this head and shoulders pattern on the 4 hour. And as I said, if we do break the top of the head and shoulders pattern, this pattern will be invalidated, but we could see Bitcoin roll over and test that support level. Zooming in to the 1 hour chart then, you can see this rising wedge which I showed you 2 videos ago, I think it was. Yeah, it was 2 videos ago, and Bitcoin did break down out of this rising wedge, as you can see right here, and the target was at the bottom of the rising wedge at $47,500. This target is looking fairly unlikely right now, and I did show you this white support and resistance level along here, so you can see that Bitcoin was getting previous resistance when it was below this level. You can see the resistance right there, and when Bitcoin was above this level you can see some slight support there, lots of support along here and a little bit of support here. And actually a couple hours ago Bitcoin did perfectly get supported off this support level and did bounce, and we have seen the price of Bitcoin actually have some nice price action to the upside. Ultimately then, I think that this price target down at $47,500 is looking highly unlikely right now, as we are getting supported and bounced off this support level. If we can stay above this level, I don't think we will hit that target of $47,500. However, if we were to retest this white support level and break down out of the white support level, then there is a possibility that we could see that price target down at $47,500. But as of right now, I am not sure about that price target. I think we are going to see more price action to the upside. Taking a look at the 15-minute charts then, you can see first of all this rising wedge which I showed you in yesterday's video, and I told you if it were to break out I would be trading this rising wedge, and it is a bearish pattern. However, it did break to the upside, and you can see here that we did actually get a 15-minute close above that rising wedge, and the target was all the way up at $58,200, which we in fact did hit that target this morning. So I did put a long position in when we got that 15-minute close, and my entry point was $56,400. We did come close to the price target at $58,200. However, we didn't quite make it, and I also told you in yesterday's video that we were getting fairly oversold. As you can see, these arrows right here, overbought. And when we get overbought, there is usually a period of consolidation or a slight pullback, and we did in fact see that consolidation here. So I did in fact take around 50% out of my trade up here because we were seeing those warning signs. However, I still did have 50% left in the trade, and the entry point was at $56,400, and that is where I moved my stop loss up to. And you can see that we came close to it here. We came close to that $56,400 level. However, we didn't quite make it, so the trade was left open. And I did spot this bull flag this morning, which I showed you over on Twitter. And in fact, we did break this bull flag. We did break to the upside, and I did actually add to my Bitcoin position at $57,400 roughly, and you can see that we have seen some nice price action to the upside. So I am holding these this trade open at the moment, and the target is all the way up at 60k, so that is when I will again start taking profits, unless we start looking overbought again. Right now you can see that we are slightly overbought, so we are overbought, so I might go and take some profits out of this trade over on Bybit. But ultimately we could just see some a slight period of consolidation before having a nice move to the upside. So that is my next move on my Bitcoin trade. Moving swiftly on to the price of Ethereum then, which is currently sat at $3,500. And I showed you over on Twitter yesterday this this diamond pattern, which you can see right here, and we did in fact break to the upside right here, and I in fact did put an Ethereum long position in. This trade is right now in profit. My entry point was a little bit high, but I did want that confirmation of the close above the diamond pattern, so my entry point was around $3,450, and we have seen some ups and downs. You can see that last night Bitcoin actually went below my entry point. However, we are seeing some nice price action to the upside this morning, and I am still confident on this trade, so I am going to keep this trade open. And it is going fairly slow at the moment. We aren't seeing massive profits at the moment, but if we take a look at my previous Ethereum trade, which we took out, you can see that when I put my entry point in, which was at around $2,700, you can see that we did have a period of consolidation where we were getting supported at the top of this rising channel before we then saw some nice price action to the upside, meeting our target all the way up around here. So this is why I'm still holding my Ethereum trade open out of this diamond pattern, because Ethereum just seems to be moving fairly slow at the moment, but I am still confident on the price of Ethereum. The target is all the way up at $3,940, which is a realistic target, so I am going to hold my Ethereum position open until we reach this target, unless we do break below this this blue line right here, which is the top of the diamond pattern. That'll be all for today's video then. Just a quick update on what I'm currently doing with my Bitcoin and Ethereum trade. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash a like, subscribe and share this video and help grow this channel together. Thank you.